Today's Bible verse comes from Ephesians chapter 4, verse 2, King James Version. With all lowliness and meekness, with long-suffering, forbearing one another in love. Ephesians 4:2 is a call for Christians to live out their faith by being humble, gentle, and patient, actively bearing with one another in love, meaning tolerating faults and differences with grace to maintain peace and unity in the church, reflecting God's own patience and love shown to them. It's about showing understanding and forgiveness to others as Christ showed it to you, rather than getting irritated or resentful. Key concepts. Number 1, walk worthy. Live a life consistent with the calling, salvation you've received from God. Ephesians 4:1. Number 2, humility, lowliness, thinking of yourself less, recognizing your own imperfections, and valuing others. Number 3, gentleness or meekness, strength under control, choosing restraint instead of retaliation. Number 4, patience or long-suffering, enduring difficulties and irritating behaviors without anger. Number 5, bearing with one another, actively tolerating and forgiving others' faults and weaknesses as Christ has forgiven you. And number 6, in love, the motivation for all these actions, making tolerance sacrificial and selfless, not grudging. In simple terms, because God has been so patient and loving with your faults, you should be humble, gentle, and patient with the faults of others, showing them grace and love to keep peace in the Christian community. Amen.